Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch, chilling out, and suddenly your phone rings. It's a call from your mom, but there's a problem. You can't hear her. The connection is terrible, and you're missing out on precious family time. Now, what if I told you there was a way to make those phone calls crystal clear, no matter where you are? What if you could turn your phone into a powerhouse of communication, capable of handling calls like a pro? That's where Ooma comes in. You might have heard of Ooma as a home phone service, but did you know it can also work wonders for your cell phone? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Ooma and explore whether it's the right choice for your mobile needs. The basics of Ooma. Let's start with the basics. Ooma is a VoIP voice over Internet Protocol service, which means it uses the internet to make and receive calls. This is different from traditional phone services that rely on copper wires. Ooma's benefits. So why should you consider Ooma for your cell phone? Here are some of the key benefits. Crystal clear calls. Ooma uses advanced technology to deliver superior call quality, even in areas with poor cellular coverage. Affordable rates. Ooma offers competitive pricing plans, so you can save money on your monthly phone bill. Versatile features. Ooma comes with a range of features, including voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. Easy setup. Getting started with Ooma is simple. Just plug in the Ooma base station and download the app. Can you use Ooma on your cell phone? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Can you actually use Ooma on your cell phone? The short answer is yes, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Ooma mobile app. To use Ooma on your cell phone, you'll need to download the Ooma mobile app. This app allows you to make and receive calls using your Ooma number. Data connection. Remember, Ooma uses the internet to make calls, so you'll need a data connection on your phone. This means you'll be using your data allowance, so be mindful of your usage. Compatibility. Ooma is compatible with most smartphones, including iPhones and Android devices. However, it's always a good idea to check the compatibility list on Ooma's website before purchasing. Ooma versus traditional cell phone plans. If you're considering switching to Ooma for your cell phone, it's important to weigh the pros and cons against traditional cell phone plans. Here's a quick comparison. Cost. Ooma can be more affordable than traditional plans, especially if you make a lot of calls. Features. Ooma offers a variety of features, while traditional plans may have limitations. Coverage. Traditional plans generally have better coverage, especially in rural areas. Flexibility. Ooma offers more flexibility in terms of choosing your plan and features. Is Ooma right for you? Ultimately, whether Ooma is right for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a more affordable and feature-rich option for your cell phone, Ooma may be worth considering. However, if you prioritize coverage and don't make a lot of calls, a traditional cell phone plan might be a better fit. So, can you use Ooma on your cell phone? Absolutely. Ooma offers a convenient and affordable way to make and receive calls, and it can be a great alternative to traditional cell phone plans. If you're interested in learning more about Ooma or signing up for a plan, I encourage you to visit their website or check out the links in the description below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.